Dear students, hope you all are very well. So welcome to our online classes. Once again, your Priyanka is with you, and as I promised you that some of the classes will be on from Active English workbook. So today we are going to have again have a class on workbook. Okay, but today this item is one of the easiest items in the whole Active English workbook. Okay, this is nothing serious or nothing too much difficult. Let me tell you one thing that the item is actually about a picture of a page. Different size of page will be given, and you have to write the portion of the pages that where which of the portion is basically being mentioned on the page. Okay, the portion of the page, I repeat, you have to write down the portion of the pages. Is it the front of the page? Is it the back of the page? Is it the middle of the page? Is it the side of the page? Or is it the bottom of the page? Okay, that means the different portions of pages you have to mention here. Okay, and the side, which side is it, or which side does it belong to? Okay, this type of questions will be here in this item. So basically it is from page number 25. As you know that Active English workbook is all about doing the exercises and filling the gaps. So there's no way out, there's no option, there can not be anything substitute other than our Active English workbook. So I would request you to have your Active English workbook, and along with the workbook, please have your pencil so that you can fill the gaps into the book. Okay, it will take just few minutes. Okay, the class will be really very enjoyable. Believe me, all that you need is to be concentrated for few minutes. That's it. Okay, so let us have a look on the board first. I have uh, I have drawn the picture of the page actually here in your book, page number 25. It is item number 18. As we haven't gone through the item number 18 yet, though it is very easy, but yet we didn't touch the page. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy the class. See, so many blanks are there. So at first what you have to do is you have to go through the middle of the page. That is, see, in your book there will be a box like that. Can you see the box into your book? Please have a look in the page number 25 and see in the middle where what is it? See, this is some of the description. These are the descriptions, okay, of the page. So this is the top of the page. This is the side of the page. This is the middle of the page. This is the bottom of the page. This is the front of the curve. This is the back of the curve. These are actually the clues. Okay. So seeing these sentences or these clues, you have to fill the gaps. Okay. So suppose it's a page. If it is a page, what is it? Isn't it the top of the page? Yes, our first option is the very first sentence. That means the very first line. This is the top of the page. Okay. So one is done. Please write the answers down that this is the top of the page. So I am done with this. Okay. Number one is done. Now coming to the next one. Can you see this one? I know it is quite it needs effort to to have a look from the angle. Please in your book this picture is already drawn like that. Okay, so that's why Miss drew this according to your book's demand. Okay, in the page of your book the blank is already given like in this angle. That's why Miss had to draw the line or draw the box likely to the likely given into the book. So what is it? Isn't it looking like a site? So which of the sentence I should put? Is it the middle? Is it the middle? No. Is it the bottom? Bottom means the very last line. Okay. Is it the bottom? No. Is it the in front of a car? Is there any car? No. So it can't be. Is it the back of the car? Is there any car? Can you see in this box any car? No, so I can't mention the car. So basically this is looking like a side, so I can put this is the side of the page. This is the what? Side. SIDE. Side of the page. Okay, side of the page. Okay baby, so this is the side of the page. So second one is done. Now coming to the next one, see there is also a side picture. Okay, this is from side. In your book there will be two boxes in two different sides. Okay, this is also be the this is the side of the page. Okay, you have to write in this way, in this angle. Okay baby, this is the side of the page. Can you see into your book? Okay, now coming to the, isn't it just the under of the page? So if it is under the page, that means it is very last part of the page, that means it means bottom. Okay, so I can put this is the bottom of the page. Why it is sorry, it's not bottom because it is not yet the page is not finished. Okay, we have to fill so many boxes, so it is not the last one. So if it is a whole, if it is like a whole page, it is a picture of a page, then see, isn't it in the I mean very in between of a page? If it is in between, that means it is a middle side. Okay, it is middle. So what should we write? I again let me tell you one thing, that hope it's a picture of a page, as you have your book with you. So please have a look on the page, that there are so many boxes. Just under this box, it's not the last box. There's still two more box. So I can tell that it is the bottom line or it is the bottom of the page. Okay, the bottom means the very last thing. The bottom means the very last thing, the ending part. Okay, is it the ending part? See, if it is the ending part, then what is it? Isn't it? So after this box, you will have to fill up two more boxes. So I can say that it is the ending one. If it is not the ending one, that means it can't be the bottom one. Okay, so better I should write this is the middle of the page. This is the middle of the page. Which of the this one? Okay, so this is the middle of the page. middle, middle of the page. Okay baby, so now see here the next box, here two more boxes are given, boxes. So in the first box I can see I have tried to draw the in front side of a car. I hope you have your book, that's why you won't have problem in matching that. That means please imagine that it's in front of in front side of a car. Okay, in your book you will have two boxes. First one is the picture of the front side of a car, and the second one is the back side of a car. So hope it's a front side of a car. If it is the front side of a car, which of the sentences will be which of the sentence will be the proper for this? This is the front of the car. 1 2 3 4 5. See, number 5 sentence is the correct for our next picture. That means this is the what? This is the front of the page. Okay, now see in the next box, here again it's a picture of car, but it's not the front side of the car. Okay, if the first picture is, this is the front of the page, not page. Is it the picture of a page? It is the picture of a car, so I have to write here car. Okay, not a page, as a car is already mentioned here, car is already given here. So this is the front of the car. So if it is the front, then what is it? It is the back. Okay, so I have to write this. Please note the answers down into your book. This is the, please fill it now. This is the back. B-A-C-A. Do you know what is back? Just opposite of front side is the back side. Okay, this is the back. Back of what? Back of the, is it a car? Yes. Is it a bus? No. Is it a house? No. As it is car, so I have to write this is the back of the car. Can you find this line into this box? Yes. Here it is. Okay. Now the only one thing that is left, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4 sentence is not being used. Still it is not being used. Okay. So so we have to place the number 4 sentence. Okay, babies. So let us have a look on the whole sentences. Like this is the top of the page. We have done with that. This is the side of the page. We have already done. This is the middle. We have got here. So this is the bottom. Okay, it was the left one. This is the front of the car. This is the back of the car. Now the rest one is, this is the bottom. As I told that bottom means the very last part. Bottom means the very last part. So if it is about the ending part, if it is about the very last part, then see in this whole boxes or the whole blanks, what is the last one? This one. If it is the last one, then can't we write that this is the bottom of the page? So we have to put the line here that this is the bottom. B O T T O M. Bottom. Bottom means the very first, the very last part. Okay. So this is the bottom of the page. Okay, baby. So let us have a look. On the very first box, you have to write this is the top of the page. Okay, Magic, please write down on the very first box that this is the top of the page. Now, to the side, this is the side of the page. This side, I mean opposite to this side, you will have the same option here. This is also, this is the side of the page. Okay. Now, just after the given box, you will have another box as fill in the gaps, like this is the middle of the page. Okay, write down it. Then two of the card, one is the front side, another one is the back side. So this is the front side of the card, that means this is the front of the card, and the beside the next one we have to write this is the back of the card. Okay, and the last box is, you know all about, it's a whole blank, so you have to put the left one. Okay, as it is the very ending part of the box or the whole page, so we have to write this is the bottom of the page. Okay, I think it is the easiest things to do. Okay, in this whole active English workbook, I hope this one is very, I mean, most interesting part to do. So I hope you can write the answers very well, and so there's actually nothing more to learn. So all that you need is to fill the gaps into the book and click the photo to submit it to the Google Classroom. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope we will meet very soon. Till then, stay well.